Something that would be tight on his head, but not really hot.
I see you. You're on the Rocky Knob. Well, you're not even on the trail yet. You're on the lower spur. Yeah. Through them so I can tape you walking toward me. How about that? There's more rocks.
Keep going.
What? He doesn't need a video. He's eating on the trail. It's a nice day out. Because the world is round, it turns me on. He converted, so he can chew on his thing. You like chewing that thing, huh?
Little pain. Little belly pain.
Make sure I don't step on a rattlesnake, Mom. Now Dad's walking with the boy. Can you see us?
Yeah. Is it a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, baby.
Yes.
Hey, other baby.
They're prickly.
Yeah. I can't get out. Oh, pull it out of there.
It's a chestnut. Probably already eaten, right? Yeah, it's out of there.
Chestnuts roasting by an open fire. It's very prickly.
The American chestnut.
It's like a very pointy thing.
There's this boy's head. Look at those fibers. We're at the top of the ridge.
From this point, you can look across Birch Run Hollow toward East Big Flat Ridge. Beyond the ridge in the next valley is PI 233.
Is that all it says?
Yeah.
Well, we already knew that. The lake's down there, or the top of the mountain. He's sleeping.
No, finally.
Woke up. Oh boy.
It's getting to be a sleepy boy.
We walked at least 2 miles.
Oh, we walked more than 2. You're standing on the east slope of Sear Hill. Further east, your left, is the southern end of East Big Flat Ridge. To its immediate right is Long Pine Dam. Then from left to right, you can see Rocky Knob, Wolf Hill, and Mitten Hill. So what you were looking at, that is Rocky Knob. Please do not disturb Ant Mound. Allegheny Mound Building ants build their community in elevated mounds, which can be as large as 4 feet high and 20 feet in diameter. Colony will sometimes occupy more than one mound. They're almost always found in small forest openings, which provide cool shade during the summer and the sun's warmth in the winter.
There's the anthill.
That is probably 2 feet in diameter.
Yeah.
There's a bigger one. Let's see.
Further. And now we're on the bigger one.
Looks like a dog walking.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, it kind of looks like it was dug open. You see any ants?
Perhaps a bear.
Or a bear ate them. Oh, little Osito. Was it you?
It's not on him. Almost. Yeah. There
Osito, was it you?
No.
No.
I don't see anything.
Probably hibernating. Buckiest of knobs. Can't even see it on the video. There's tons of rocks. Tons of rocks. Boulder Field. So this goes up into there. Just a bunch of rocks, eh? 4.5. 4 miles. 1 mom. 1 dad. 1 Osito. Is that on him?
Yep.
Yeah. For yet. We're still going downhill. We still have to go out on the spurt. I don't know how long it is. Maybe half a mile? So our whole walk might have been 5 miles. Will be 5 miles. It's getting dark down here, huh, buddy? Getting close to the stream. It's getting cooler. We're out of the sun. Maybe it's not a half a mile?
I don't know.
It's probably like a quarter of a mile then. I don't know. We're on Raja camera now. You want me to walk in front of you? Or catch up to you like I did?
Is that what you want?
No, it doesn't matter.
I'm doing it. Hi, boy.
Boom. The end.
The end.
It's a beautiful fungus. I thought it was mayonnaise, but oh yeah, it was chips. Sour cream they didn't have? They didn't have something. I'm trying not to. It's a giant uprooted tree. The size of Mom. The size of Dad. Even bigger.
Are you taking it?
Yeah, we gotta cross the water. Oh my goodness.
Oh. You want me to take it and then do you?
Sure.
Because you can't do it.
Nancy can turn it on.
Treacherous. Here they come. Don't fall. That. Yeah. We're almost back.
Yeah,
Almost.
we see the road. We did it.